Well, we finally got some nice warm days here, so let's get some power washing done. This is why you want to clean all that wet grass out of there. You can see here all this rust on the deck here. That's just from letting wet grass sit in there, and it eventually just rusts out the whole deck. So make sure you guys are cleaning the grass off your mowers. Well, that's good enough for these two. The main point of that was just to get all that grass off. Like I said, you don't want these things rusting out. So it doesn't have to be pretty, just get all the big stuff out. Anyways, we'll let these dry off, and let's go find something else to power wash. Well, that's good enough for the old girl. After all, it's just a work truck. Don't need to be too good, just needs to get the job done. This is what I call one of these days kind of truck, you know. Man, one of these days I'll fix that gas cap that just blows open with the wind. Man, you know what? One of these days I'm gonna clear up these foggy headlights that don't do anything at night. And one of these days I'm gonna get it off the spare and back onto the original tire. But I gotta find it first. Man, there it is. I haven't seen this tire in who knows how long. But anyways, I can't complain too much. It's been a pretty good truck. We haven't had a lot of problems with it. But man, that gas cap really bothers me sometimes. Well, let's see if we can fix this blinker light now. I bought these light bulbs at Advanced Auto Parts. Man, they cost me like 14 bucks. I was trying to figure out why. It's probably because they're blue. I don't know why you need a blue turn signal. I guess if you have like one of those little ricers, you could have that. Anyways, this should be good enough for our little trailer here. So let's see if it works. Alright, you guys stay here and tell me if the light comes on when I hit the brakes, alright? Man, big help you guys are. Can't even tell me if the light's working or not. Let's see if we can't get this other light fixed a little bit too. You can see it's seen some better days. Got this other light cover. I don't know if it's gonna fit. We'll find out. Well, it kind of fits. 2 screws in there. I think it's because it's a little smashed. It's not fitting right, but it's better than the one that we had on there. So now we got 2 uncracked, working tail lights and brake lights. So man, we're living large now. Let's see if we can fix the one on the truck. So you can see when we turn on the right turn signal, it blinks really fast compared to the left one. And it blinks fast outside the truck too, and it makes the trailer blink fast. Hopefully it's just these 2 bolts right here. I don't know, I've never done this before, so we're learning together. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Oh, that's not the same bulb at all. I mean, it looks okay to me. The light bulb doesn't look like it's broken. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe it's a relay. Actually, you know what? Let's change out the other light bulb and see if it works on the bottom half. So we got it hooked to the light that was not working. And if this light bulb works, then that means that it was the light bulb, and we just need to replace that. Alright, so yeah, it was just the light bulb. I don't know why this other one isn't working. We need to buy a new one. But let's go ahead and try and get that bulb and replace this. Well, we got the bulbs. These ones are only $10. So I guess it's better to get the regular bulbs instead of the blue ones. So let's get the thing installed. Should work now. Well, we got a working brake light and a working blinker on this truck too.